The beef industry's future depends on strong, informed leaders who can navigate challenges from the ranch to Capitol Hill. That's where the Young Cattlemen's Conference, or YCC, comes in. And for more than 4 decades, this NCBA program has been a valuable tool to help shape our next generation of decision makers. Now, joining us today is John Robinson, Senior Vice President of Membership, Communications, and Events for the National Cattlemen's Beef Association. And John, how long and why was YCC started all those years ago?
Yeah, great question, Lane. YCC started in 1980. We've had 43 classes. We missed a couple due to COVID. But it was really started to bring state leaders into the national level, educate them about what NCBA does, the role we play in the industry, and also then to give them a wide range of experience across the industry, across every industry segment. They get a chance to meet some of the industry partners that work closely with NCBA and the work we do, and really just to make them a more well-rounded leader for the state and hopefully eventually the national level.
Now, over 4 decades, the needs and challenges of the industry have definitely changed. So how has YCC adapted to meet those changing times in the beef industry?
Yeah, really what we've done is we've gone in and we've looked at where is value added to the beef industry, to the beef animal across the supply chain. So we start out in Denver with a look at NCBA, our history, the work we do. We get them to a feed yard so they get a chance to see sort of the modern feeding industry. And then we take them through and introduce them to some industry partners along the way. And really what we thought was important was for them to see where value is added and how that's added by our partners like Certified Angus Beef.
Now, with those stops too, it truly is from the plate, or from the ranch all the way to the plate to the policy. And what is that decision making like? Again, I went on this trip back in 2016, so nearly 10 years ago, and there's definitely been some updates there. But how much thought and work goes into selecting these stops?
Yeah, a lot of it actually. We spend time, obviously the foundation is in Denver and what NCBA does, but we have over the years evolved from, we used to go to Chicago, now we go to Sioux City, Iowa. They have a chance to see the Tyson, the largest beef plant in the country, one of our great sponsors. We go from there to Certified Angus Beef, another great industry partner, adding a lot of value to the carcass. And from there, we really build them up, all of these industry participants. We give them the opportunity to go to Capitol Hill and advocate for the member of Congress. That's always really been the cornerstone, the absolute key and apex of the program. And it's really something that everybody looks forward to and I think is a highlight of their trip.
Now, you've been on the trip, you're helping coordinate the trip. What would you tell a young cattleman or woman about the opportunity to go for nearly over 10 days across the nation, why they should consider applying for this leadership program?
This is really one of the best leadership opportunities, development opportunities in our industry. It starts with our state partners. We really want those state leaders to understand what NCBA does and why we're important in the industry. What I would say to them is, don't take my word for it, take our participants' word for it. Many of them come back to us and say, this is a life-changing event. They change their outlook on the industry, they change their outlook on their future, and it really gives them a good foundation for future leadership opportunities.
Well, it's always great seeing all those alumni. We all wear these YCC pins on our lapels, and whether it was a year ago or 40 years ago, it's so great connecting with those YCC participants and future participants. So John, thanks for shedding a little light on the program.
You bet. Thank you, Lane.
Now, the Young Cattlemen's Conference gives you the tools, connections, and experiences you need to make a real impact as a leader in the beef industry. For more information about the selection process, contact your NCBA-affiliated state or breed association.